Welcome to Seashore Allure, St. John's most beautiful waterfront vacation condominiums. Located on Turner Bay, Seashore Allure is just a few minutes walk from the restaurants and shopping in town, but it's also a world away from the hustle and bustle of Cruise Bay. Seashore Allure includes 8 unique units, each of them with their own private waterfront terraces, and each meticulously designed for a luxury vacation experience. We'll take a tour of some of the units, 1 to 3 bedroom suites, in just a minute, but first here's a look at what awaits you outside. The Blue Havana Pool is just steps from the Pebble Beach. And the sound of the waves lapping at the shore day and night. The pool is surrounded by a sunny deck. And nearby, Seashore Allure's Tiki Hut. It includes a covered dining area, a big gas grill for cookouts, a bar, and an outdoor widescreen TV. Each of the air-conditioned suites boasts a blend of Caribbean style and modern design, with amenities that rival any villa, hotel, or resort on the island. Spa-quality bathrooms feature rain showers, soaking tubs, hotel-quality towels and linens, and spacious layouts. And all bedrooms include king-sized beds and resort furnishings. Living areas all include full surround sound satellite entertainment systems and comfortable, stylish furnishings. And all of the units have full kitchens with gas stoves and are fully stocked with gourmet cookware, dinnerware, and glassware. And every unit has its own private, covered waterfront terrace with views across Turner Bay and to the open sea beyond. Seashore Allure's accommodations range from cozy one-bedroom suites to 2-bedroom units designed for maximum privacy for each couple, to stunning 2-story penthouses with winding hardwood staircases and 3 luxurious private bedroom suites. And at the very top of Seashore Allure is a private hot tub deck with 180-degree views. As an intimate boutique hotel, Seashore Allure caters to visitors' needs. There's an on-site concierge service, and this location is perfect for couples, families, and both small and large groups. Seashore Allure is the perfect location for your own vacation getaway, or for corporate gatherings, wedding parties, or even family reunions. Seashore Allure is unlike any other vacation property on St. John, offering the convenience of an in-town location, but the privacy of a boutique hotel, and all the creature comforts of a high-end spa or resort. Seashore Allure welcomes you to St. John's most beautiful waterfront vacation condominiums.